Anybody knows this monkey? He was neglected the moment siya pinanganak nung nanay niya. So, tinabla siya nung nanay. So, yung mga zookeepers sa Japan, para ma-comfort, binigyan siya ng stuffed toy from IKEA. But here's the thing about the story, He's longing for love. He's longing for acceptance. He's longing to belong. Kaya ang nangyari dito kay Punch, nakakita siya ng pagmamahal dito sa stuffed toy. Pero anybody here, na-attach ka na sa isang bagay, sa isang tao, na hindi mo naman pinlano. Kumusta lang, kumusta ka na, yan. Kumain ka na ba? Yan, yung mga style ng mga chick boy dito, Have you ever been into a situation, hindi mo naman pinlano, pero lumalim yung either relationship, lumalim yung pagkakalugbok mo, whether it's an addiction, whatever form, it's a relationship, friends lang kami, pero lumalim na. Have you ever said, wala namang mali siya, pero nangyari nga di ba? Have you ever said, control ko naman to, pa-isa-isa lang stick, pero ngayon addict ka na. So, it's human nature to say, last na to, promise. I can manage this. So maybe some of you sinabi, tikim lang naman. Pero ayan, bundat ka na lagi dahil pa na yung buffet mo. Scroll lang ako saglit. Naka-4 na oras ka na. And maybe sinasabi mo, strong yung faith ko, hello. So some of us, it's human nature to start something we think we can handle, but ended up, hindi natin pala kaya. I won't be affected, pero ngayon addicted ka na. I'm strong enough, pero ngayon you've been overpowered by the very thing na akala mo kaya mo. So, you never plan to fall, you just plan to stay close, and we underestimate the power of proximity. We sometimes think we can stand near sin without sin standing inside of us. But Scripture says, environment shapes affection. Scripture, we always say, bad company corrupts good morals. What we tolerate externally eventually transforms us internally. Some of you are playing with fire. Hindi naman ako masusunog. Or maybe some of you, papiso-piso lang sa scatter. Sino dito yung Jologs? Nag-scatter ka? Yung mga nagsusugal na mapapiso-piso. Kala mo papiso-piso lang, pero ngayon, addict ka na. Direction determines destination. Hindi po ipipresent ni Taneng yung distraction na, ito, sisirain ko yung marriage mo. Hindi ganun. Ipapakita niya hindi agad yung distraction. Masarap sa una. You see, pag tinanong mo yung kasalanan, sa una masarap. Di ba? Sino rito yung na-addict ka na sa drugs or marijuana? Una pa chonky-chonky lang, di ba? Alam mo, lahat ng bisyo libre sa una. Yung tito mo, talaga pamangkin, tirahin mo ito, suminghot ka lang ng konting rugby. Amos, eventually, magbabayad ka na. Eventually, magnanakaw ka na. Walang kasalanan na big time agad ng distraction. Naka-sugarcoat siya. Hindi siya pe-present ni Satan ng immediate distraction. You see, your direction eventually determines destination.